Okay, so go ahead. Here we go. And then you are just going to go ahead and double click onto this and go ahead. Okay, so you can see it's actually giving us an option, launch when ready. Just go ahead and click install. You just go ahead and click yes. It's going to do it to the installation. So if you look closely, we are now, okay, there we go. So the installation is actually complete, and we have launched, it is actually automatically launched the ChatGPT. So what is going on, everyone? Roundabout with you here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the ChatGPT app in your Windows without the need of the Microsoft App Store. And let us begin. So firstly, you're going to have to go to this website here. So if you're also interested in getting Windows activation keys, you're going to have to use this website, but that's not the reason why we're here. You're going to have to go to the collections tab, and then you are going to have to go to the files icon there, and then you are going to go into the script installation files. Okay, scroll down and look for Winget. Go into the Winget. Okay, and we are going to start from here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is to look for an app called the Powershell in your computer. You're going to have to come here to your start menu here, and then go ahead and type in PowerShell. You can go ahead and run this as administrator. Go ahead and click this. Go ahead and say yes. Okay, so there you go. So it's running as administrator. So firstly, you're gonna have to, it's just going to be a copy and paste exercise. Okay, so when you check on your website, and the website that we're going to be using here is it's just going to be a copy and paste. So the first command here is just going to check, it's going to be a command that checks whether you can be allowed to do this installation or not. So you're going to go ahead and copy this and go ahead, open your PowerShell, just right click and then press enter. Okay, so the we have the get executional policy. So the policy in my computer states that I am restricted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to unrestrict my computer from doing these installations. So go ahead and copy this command here, copy, and then you are going to have to go ahead and copy, paste this, just right click to paste and then press enter. Okay, so let's tell you this. Okay, just press Y for yes and press enter. Okay, so we've accepted, and then if we go ahead and copy and check the policies again, right click. So now we are unrestricted and we are free to install any apps on this computer. So go ahead and copy our next command here. Go ahead and copy. So let me try and make it a side-by-side installation. Let me reduce this to very small. Okay, so yeah, this will do. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and copy the third command here. Go ahead, right click and paste. Just go ahead and press enter. Okay, so the reason why I'm getting this error is because I've already installed this app, but you might not get the same error that I have. So if we go ahead and copy this here, go ahead and copy this, copy, right click here. Okay, go ahead and copy this, copy, come into PowerShell, then right click to paste and press enter. Okay, so it's actually doing the installation of the package, and then we are going to go ahead and just copy this, copy, and then come right into the PowerShell and then right click to paste and then press enter. Okay, so we are getting this error simply because that my computer has already installed the Winget, but in your scenario, you might not have the same error if you've not installed the Winget before in your computer though. So Winget is just an app that is going to allow you to install packages without the help of the Microsoft app. So next we are now going to be moving to just highlight this and then go to this website here, and then we're going to also have to take advantage of this website here. So go ahead and right click and then just say go to this website. Okay, so this is what we opened first. Okay, And now, so the good thing, ChatGPT is right here. If you cannot find it in this website, you're gonna have to just come here into the search tab and just type in ChatGPT. Yeah, it's already listed, so just go ahead and click on this one here. Okay, so if you try downloading, it will actually not work. I won't actually just do that. So we are going to have to take advantage of the next website that we actually went ahead and opened here. Okay, so just go ahead and copy this web link here. Go ahead and right click and then copy. Then come into this website, whatever it is. It's just a link generator that is going to allow us to get some downloadable content for this application. So go ahead and right click and then, oh come on, just paste, and then just go ahead and press enter. Okay, so there you go. So as we are searching this, I want to show you that actually ChatGPT is not included. So you can see this is just like a web link that is going to take me to try installing it, but we don't actually have it in our computer, so we are gonna have to be installing it right here. So firstly, if you look into these links, you're going to realize it has a best model of your computer. So how you have to actually check what model of computer that you're using. You have to go to the start menu, go to settings, go ahead and open, and then go ahead, go to the systems, and then scroll down, go to the about section. Okay, so the system type that your computer is using is will be listed here on the system type. In my case, I'm using a 64-bit operating system. So in that case, if I look closely here, you're going to realize that we have 64-bit a 64-bit version link here. But now in this case, we're going to try so hard. You're going to make sure you ignore the block map link. Go ahead and just install anything else, but note the block map link. Okay, so firstly, we have the ARM. What we're looking for is this link here. So this is the Windows App Runtime. Okay, so we are going to need this. Go ahead and just click on it. So your browser is going to request you to, okay, it's going to look at it as if it's like a virus or something, but it's actually secure. Just go ahead and click these three dots that say more actions. Just go ahead and click on the keep option here. Okay, file can't be downloaded securely. Go ahead and just press keep anyway. Okay, that is finished. Okay, that is finished downloading. Okay, so now we are going to have to go ahead and look for the other 64-bit. Okay, so we only have one link that we need. Okay, so now this is a dependency, but the actual app is right here. So we say we're going to be ignoring the block map options here, because now if you look here, it's only 300 kilobytes. But if you look at the MSIX bundle, is actually 251 MBs, which is actually the real app. So we are just going to have to go ahead and click on this link, and it's going to also okay, gives it a string here of can't download securely. Just go ahead and click these three dots here, and then go ahead and click the keep option and keep anyway. So immediately after you download, it depends on where your downloads are actually being taken to. Mine actually just go ahead and open your files. Don't open here, just go ahead and open the file here. Okay, so what you have to install first before you install the app itself, you're gonna have to install the first dependency that you downloaded first, the Windows App Runtime, and it's already 64-bit that is compatible with our computer. So we're gonna have to go ahead and install this dependency. Just go ahead and double click, and then it's going to request you install this. Okay, so the Winget is what is the interface that you see here that is helping you install this dependency. Go ahead and press the install button. Just go ahead and press yes. Okay, there we go. It's been already installed. Go ahead and close this. So finally, we are going to be installing our this one here, the Nitro, the MXI bundle of the ChatGPT desktop version. Okay, so go ahead. Here we go. And then you are just going to go ahead and double click onto this and go ahead. Okay, so you can see it's actually giving us an option, launch when ready. Just go ahead and click install. You just go ahead and click yes. It's going to do it to the installation. So if you look closely, we are now, okay, there we go. So the installation is actually complete, and we have launched, this is actually automatically launched the ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and log in your ChatGPT as usual, if it's already logged into your browser, and you will be good to go. So when we come here, okay, so it's actually hidden now. If you come here and check onto your recent added apps, you're going to realize that you have ChatGPT. Now, when we type in ChatGPT, you're going to realize it's now an actual app that we have installed in our computer. Go ahead and open it, and you can go ahead and log in as you log in with your browser, and it's automatically just go ahead, and if you log in with your Microsoft account or your Google account or your Apple account, it will actually just be fine. So that is how you install the ChatGPT app in your computer without the help of the Microsoft App Store. So if you found this video interesting, or if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I will appreciate so much if you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.